Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. So I found a few Blu-ray movies. I picked up the Taken and Taken 3. I have not seen those two. I did see part 1. This one here, Out of the Furnace, haven't seen it. Bruce Lee, The Way of the Dragon, definitely have seen that. And this movie here is Paranoia. It's a good movie. I did watch that already. And this Russell Madness, I did watch this as well with my daughter, and this one comes with a Blu-ray and a DVD and a digital HD copy. So I found these really cute porcupine piggy banks. They only had the silver and the gold, one of each. So I picked up both of them, and I'm probably going to end up changing the color on those, and I plan to make 2 bookends for my daughter's room. Also, I found these cute Valentine candles here. I thought this would be perfect to add with a Valentine's Day gift. I picked up some Valentine candy as well. These are the kisses with the pink foil. Also some cookie and cream heart-shaped candy. And also the kisses with the pink red foil. And these Jolly Ranchers, just because they're colorful, I thought that would be cute to add with a Valentine gift. And I found these Sour Patch Kids candies as well. Picked up some nails, just a couple of packs here. Some hair ties that come with a 20 pack. I did also pick up these Cooking Concepts cutting board, this glass board. This will be for some of my Cricut projects. I just recently bought the Cricut machine. Also this wood fork and these mixer spoons. Those will be for DIY coming up very soon. And I finally found these Buddhas that people have been finding for a while now. They never came to my Dollar Tree, and they finally made it to my Dollar Tree, so I was super excited. And I picked up 2. I picked up the light gray and this darker one. They're just so cute, and these are going to go in my Zen room. I also picked up 2 of these white big buckets here, and this is also for some Cricut projects that I have planned. I found this Take It To Go double pack of cups here. Comes with the lid and 2 of those red cups that say Take It To Go. And then I finally found these decals that everyone has been hauling. So I did pick up four of the sets. Here's what I did with one of the decals. I just added the one that says "Let Love Be Your Guide" on one of these jars from the Dollar Tree, and I filled it with those candies that I showed you earlier, the kisses and the hearts, and added some Dollar Tree ribbon around the bottom. This would be a cute gift idea for a friend, a neighbor, or a teacher, something like that. Just something simple and easy to do. Also, I found these mugs. I have not seen any of these mugs before, and I picked up a few of them for my Cricut projects. And also this is one of the decals as well. Do what you love and love what you do. And that was it, guys. That was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can catch Dollar Tree DIYs and some more hauls. And I'll catch you all in the next video.